Can AI create 3D models better than me as a beginner 3D modeler, or at least good enough to fit into my simple low-poly golf game? Let's find out. I was actually pretty surprised to see that there even is an AI that is capable of 3D modeling. I always felt like 3D modeling is so much more complex than 2D image generation. But I guess I was wrong, because look at these models that people have created using this AI. They're actually amazing. The AI I'm using is called Meshi, and I choose it because it was the easiest to find and sign up to. They have this currency system where you have to pay some coins to generate an image, and then you have to wait to get new coins the next month. You get very limited coins when you use the free version, and me as a student definitely don't have the money to pay for an AI, sadly, so we will have to work with what we got. The good thing is that you get access to the most advanced AI model even if you're on the free plan. The only thing is that you can't download the models that you're generating, but we are still being able to see the full capacity of this AI. So with all that said, it's time for me to challenge this AI into a modeling competition. The first challenge is a little cottage with a low poly style that fits into my low poly game. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Alright, let's see the results. The AI version is on the left and mine is on the right. I think both actually look really nice in their own way. Mine is definitely simpler, but that was also part of the task. Creating the model using AI is of course a lot less time consuming. It took me almost an hour to make mine, and the AI took about 2 minutes, including writing the prompt and waiting for it to generate. Using AI is also just easier for your brain because you don't have to think as much. Just tell it what you want and hope for the best. The thing is though, the AI does not seem to be able to make low poly models. It made a really nice looking house, but it's almost too nice. It has too many details, and that is not what I'm looking for. I even tried asking for more simplicity, but no, it can't do it. I actually find this really interesting. Why can't AI make a simpler model with less triangles? If anyone knows the answer, please let me know in the comments. I even tried another subject, a new flag for the green in my golf game. And the problem again is that it made it too detailed. Here I'm using a simpler version of the AI because it costs less coins to generate, so I can make more before I run out, but it has its drawbacks, as you can see. All in all, I'm actually really impressed with the results that the AI was able to do. It looks really nice. It could even color the models, which looks great at a distance, although a bit messy if you're looking closely. But I mean, if you wanted, you could definitely use this for your game. Or if you just generated the models and then painted them yourself, that would also save you a lot of time when you're doing these kinds of high poly models. So to summarize, AI is really good at making detailed assets. If you're willing to pay for a subscription, otherwise they're kind of wonky. But for me personally, it doesn't work because the AI can't seem to create assets that fit into my art style, which is really annoying. Could someone please make an AI that can do low poly art? That would be really cool to see. But it is actually insane how AI can create this kind of quality. I wonder where we will be in a year or two. Anyways, thank you so much for checking out this experiment with me. What do you think about 3D modeling AIs? Are they the future of game assets? You take care now. Bye bye.